This is Clickbot. Cute, right? Clickbot is a family robot that's a bit different. His expressions and characteristics were designed by Carlos Bina, an award-winning designer. He has over 200 interactions that will make you fall in love with him. He can also dance, compete, and play with you. Play trivia. Chase the ball, and a ton of other games. This would already make him pretty remarkable, but here's where he's different. Clickbot is an entire universe. See, this is also Clickbot. It has wheels and can follow you around. This, it's also Clickbot. It can climb walls, and this one crawls, and this one is a mean driving machine. And this one serves snacks. Now these are not separate robots, they're all just one Clickbot. See, Clickbot is modular. The good kind of modular. The kind that works like magic. Instead of hundreds of motors, servos, cables, and chips, Clickbot is built from smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right out of the box, Clickbot comes with 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But it doesn't end there. After you've mastered these, you can create more than 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. Did we say different? Now let's talk STEM. Clickbot takes a new approach to STEM and learning code. Most STEM products are either too simple or way too complicated. Clickbot goes all the way from super basic to real-world coding. Here's how. Built a new robot by just clicking pieces together? How will you program it to drive? Well, you don't need to. Just hit record and move the robot however you wish. And that's it. Now you can control it. Want to teach it to do something? Hit record, move it, and that's it. You can now play that sequence. No code. Ready to level up? Clickbot is fully programmable with a friendly drag-and-drop coding interface. Blocky by Google. With a ton of sensors, you can really make it do anything. And you're not alone in this learning process. The Clickbot Academy has over 30 video tutorials that teach code from beginner to advanced, with many more added regularly. But even that is just to get you started. Clickbot has a built-in community where you can share your creations and learn from others, so you never run out of ideas or ways to learn new things. Want to level up even higher? Clickbot is also compatible with Python, so the code-savvy grown-up children can create even more complex actions. So to summarize, a lovable robot that plays games, dances, climbs, and drives, with smart modular building blocks that make it 10,000 robots, and STEM learning from starter to pro with tutorials and a great community. So if you want a new family member that's a little different, this is Clickbot. Cute, right?
At LocoMoco, we believe that every child should have the opportunity to learn coding. But above all, that a child should have fun. This is Rosie. She's getting our LocoMoco train that teaches children how to code through play. Starting with basic code logic when kids are 4 years old, entirely screenless. It all begins by placing tape on any surface, and the intelligent locomotive will follow the line. Making a track was never easier. Later on, the children can add the color car, which reacts to different colors of tape. Blue gives light, green accelerates, and so on. When the children are a little older, they can use our app to change functions themselves. It develops their skills over the years until they are true code masters when they are 9 to 12 years old, all while playing. At LocoMoco, we are setting you up for the future, just like Rosie, who is now all grown up and has created her success from coding.
We started LocoMoco out of the belief that every child should have the opportunity to learn coding through play. With coding, you're able to create and build wonderful things that benefit all of us. However, we can't reach this destination without you. So that's why we hope you will join us in making a difference. No matter how much you will pledge, you are contributing to educating the next generation through joy and laughter. So please, consider hopping on board and help us put the kids of today on the right track towards tomorrow.
So when I saw CreaKubu, I just loved that there's colorful stimulation.
This is really cool.
I think it's a wonderful idea. It's very interactive.
I think this is really amazing for kids.
Just bring a little fun into that as well and help encourage self-learning.
I think it's interesting that you can have these different math modes because it can help kids of different ages when they're in different levels in school.
Very good. Yeah, CreaKubu here. This is a fascinating device.
Not boring but fun.
CreaKubu, mobile phone app and Bluetooth connected smart math exercise toy. Colorful and friendly cube design. Sound.
13. Correct.
LED light. Fun like enjoying games without books and desks. Naturally improve math skills with self-directed learning. The traditional math study we're used to is boring, since if it forces repeated memorization on you in fixed way, either at home or at school, making it a rigid, hard study. But what if the math can be fun? When children press a number on the CreaKubu,
That's great.
it reads the number aloud. Children can also have fun looking for a number by turning the cube. CreaKubu provides various methods of study through apps like collecting jewels. Children get bored easily, but whenever they press a number, its button lights up and makes a sound.
2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8.
Giving them a feel that they're playing with a toy while learning math. CreaKubu is easily interlinked with smartphone apps via Bluetooth, and its many other additional features make math study easy and enjoyable. By clearing the 6-stage missions of solving multiplication table, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and free from problem, children can receive praise and gifts from their parents. They can also check their performance rankings with other children around the world who have CreaKubu, creating synergy and making them more competitive. Using app, children can take pictures of what they want to have and set it as their target prize, thus giving them motivation. As if clearing stages in a video game,
Congratulations.
CreaKubu helps children advance through progressively harder levels of problem solving. As children immerse themselves in the cube battles of solving math problems with their friends, they will never feel bored as they uncover the secrets of numbers. Children can also try solving the problems with their parents in the process of getting questions right and being praised. They will feel more familiar with math with their confidence increasing. Math is a language. Like in language, repeated learning is important in math. But the old way of learning math by solving problems sitting at the desk will make children lose interest in math. Unlike the traditional way, CreaKubu turns math study into a play that children can enjoy, increasing the learning effect. Visual, auditory, and brain cooperative action. CreaKubu helps overall development of children's brain with its LED light, visual, sound, auditory, arithmetic, finding, cognitive, and pressing, tactile small motor development features. CreaKubu New York, US is a company specializing in app and IoT product design and development. The company developed this math study solution. Since its establishment in 2017, the company acquired many patents and participated in world-famous contests and exhibitions to achieve great results. Through 3 years of research and development, the company developed the CreaKubu, and now it is waiting for your attention and your pledge.
They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but why shouldn't it be the most fun too? Hi, I'm Nick, and welcome to our Kickstarter for the world's first building brick waffle maker. So we thought it would be great to make a way to add some imagination to breakfast. Easy to bake, fun to create, and delicious to demolish. The brick waffler is fun and super easy to use. You'll have evenly cooked, fluffy, delicious waffles every time. Our patented building brick waffler features 3 unique designs: 1x1, 1x2, or 1x4 bricks. The interlocking pieces stack easily, so you can create as simply or elaborately as you can imagine. Check out some of the things we've made over the last few months. There's no wrong way to enjoy these fun, versatile, and of course, delicious brick waffles. By helping us out, you'll be the first big kid or cool parent on the block to have the brick waffler. We value and appreciate your support. A product like this may look simple, but it takes a lot of work, love, and well, resources. Please take a look down below for more information. And please share with any and everyone who's into waffles, breakfast, creativity, imagination, syrup, hosting friends, building, eating.
Let's play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Whether barcode coding by music is possible.